Hi everyone, this is Heidi. Wondering what to get the car guy for Father's Day? I have some great gift ideas. I want to talk to you about the digital torque meter. Ooh. And it has a nice digital readout. And how this works is you attach it to your torque wrench, and then you can actually see real-time digital readings when you're using it. I like that. Another really cool tool is the adjustable torque wrench adapter. Now this is for those tight areas where you normally couldn't get a torque wrench at all. And you put this adapter on, and then you can get into the area that you needed to get to, and you still can get your torque readings and everything else. And what about a headlight? And no, I'm not talking about a headlight for your car. I'm talking about a headlight, like a headlight that goes on your head. You know, something like that that shines light into an area. So one of the neat things about this is that it allows a person to wear the light on their head, and they're able to have their hands free so that they can still work on the car. Another really cool item are these easy read tire pressure valve caps. Now, the reason why I like these is that you don't have to worry about, hooking it up to a cell phone app and anything else. All you do is you make sure that you have the correct pressure set when you fill up your tires with air. Put the caps on, they read green. If there's an issue, like you have a slow leak, it'll turn yellow. And then if there's something really bad and you need to deal with your tire immediately, it turns red. It's a super simple way to keep an eye on your tires when you're at the gas station or anywhere else. What about a portable jump starter? A lot of people don't think about these as gifts, but they make fabulous gifts. They really do. The neat thing about portable jump starters, and there's lots of brands out there that make a really good product, you can use these to jump start your car if you don't have another car easily accessible and jumper cables. You just take out this little device and there you go. You can jump start your car. Another gift idea is this little point and shoot camera with a digital display on the back. And the nice thing about this for a car guy or your dad, in this case, is that it's something that he can keep out in his toolbox at all times. He has a project and he's taking an engine apart and he wants to document it. It's a really nice way to keep track of things. And having that digital display is handy as well, because you can kind of see what you're doing, that sort of thing. And what about a battery tender? I have a couple of battery tenders here. I have the regular size one. I have the junior, which doesn't have as high of amps. And basically, it's a nice thing for a person that might have a project car or something where they may or may not, have time to be starting their car, and, time goes on and eventually they'll need to jump start their car. But with the battery tenders, you don't need to have a jump start. Another fun little gift idea is this digital tire pressure gauge, which allows somebody to read the readout digitally, and also a tire depth gauge so that they can check the tread of their tires. And let's not forget Adam's polishes as a great gift idea for Dad. So, some of Franny's favorites: waterless wash and waterless wash towel, wheel cleaner with a matching brush, H2O garden gloss, and car shampoo. We have all sorts of application products for those. And the neat thing about something like this, Adam always will include spray nozzles, but something like this with a nice little holder would work great for Father's Day. A nice little gift. I also have the Solo hand sprayer as another gift idea. This works especially well for someone who might be into detailing a lot of their cars that they have to work on all the time. And the nice thing about this is you could get them 2 of these or 10 of these. The person who loves to detail will probably never get enough of these. Another gift is this 12-volt tire inflator. And so if somebody does get a flat and they're on the road, the nice thing about this is it plugs into the cigarette lighter and allows you to inflate the tire a lot faster than if they were just using a traditional foot pump. Really neat gift for somebody. And the nice thing about this one is it has a light on the side of it. So if it happens to be at night, it might help them see better. Well, these were just a few quick little ideas that Franny and I came up with. We've left links for you in the description, and I hope that you and your father have a really nice Father's Day. Bye.